Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to have a look at when is the right time to change our spark plug. Spark plug is an electrical device used in an internal combustion engine to produce a spark which ignites the air fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. As part of the engine's ignition system, the spark plug receives high voltage electricity and uses that voltage to generate a spark in a small gap between the positive and negative electrodes. The timing of the spark plug is a key factor in engine behavior, and the spark plug usually operates shortly before the combustion stroke commences. The spark plugs can also be regarded as a device that creates an artificial bolt of lightning in the combustion chamber of an engine. It transmits the high voltage electricity to ignite a spark which further fires the air-fuel mixture that is compressed inside the combustion chamber. The spark starts the combustion process which eventually powers your vehicle and motorcycle. A good spark plug results in a smooth start of the engine along with better fuel economy, which eventually results in longevity and good health of the engine. Well, there are different reasons that can lead to a spark plug change. Let's have a look at some of them. Number 1. Mileage. The general rule of thumb is to replace the spark plugs every 30,000 miles. However, some manufacturers recommend replacing them at 60,000 or 100,000 miles. So in order to clearly understand at what mileage your vehicle needs a spark plug replacement, consult your vehicle's owner's manual or service manual if you have one. So, the number 1 reason for replacing a spark plug is when the mileage is due. 2. Age. Even if you don't reach the recommended mileage, if your spark plugs are over 5 years old, it's a good idea to replace them. So if the vehicle is not frequently driven, the mileage might still be low, but if it has spent 5 years without replacing the spark plug, then it's a good time that you take care of the spark plug. 3. Whenever you face performance issues. If you notice your engine misfiring, running rough, or experiencing a decrease in power and acceleration, it could be a sign that your spark plug needs to be replaced. 4. Starting problems. If your engine is having difficulty starting, or if it takes longer than usual to start, it could be a sign that you need to replace your spark plug. Difficulty starting can be an indication of worn out spark plug. So if you have a starting problem, probably it is the right time to replace your spark plugs. 5. Fuel efficiency problem. Worn out spark plugs can cause your engine to work harder, which can result in reduced fuel efficiency. If you notice a decrease in gas mileage, it could be time to replace your spark plugs. So if you happen to notice that your vehicle is consuming too much fuel, probably it's a good idea to replace the spark plug. 6. Rough idling. If your engine is idling roughly or inconsistently, it could be a sign that your spark plugs are failing. 7. Check engine light. If your check engine lights comes on, it could be due to faulty spark plug or other engine issues. So if you happen to have your warning light turned on, it could be time to replace your spark plug. 8. High voltage leaks. If you notice any sign of high voltage leaks, such as a black sooty mark on the spark plug wire or burn mark on the spark plug boot, it's time to replace your spark plugs. The other thing that can lead to a spark plug replacement is number 9, physical damage. If your spark plugs are physically damaged or corroded, they should be replaced immediately. 10. Manufacturer recommendation. Always consult your vehicle's owner manual or manufacturer recommendation on when to replace your spark plugs. That could be indicated by mileage, as mentioned earlier, or it could be indicated by a time frame. 11. Upgraded performance. If you have made upgrade to your engine or added performance modification, you may need to replace your spark plugs more frequently to meet up with the increased demands. The other thing that can cause you to replace spark plug is environmental factors. If you frequently drive in dusty or dirty condition, your spark plug may wear out faster and need to be replaced more often. 13. Quality of fuel. Poor quality fuel can cause deposits to build up on your spark plugs, leading to decreased performance and need of spark plug replacement. 14. Ignition system issues. If your ignition system is not functioning properly, it can cause your spark plug to wear out faster and require more frequent spark plug replacement. 15. Maintenance schedule. Regular maintenance, including spark plug replacement, is crucial for keeping your vehicle running smoothly and preventing costly repairs down the line. Follow your recommended maintenance schedule for optimal performance and longevity. 16. Driving habits. Aggressive driving, frequent stop-and-go traffic, and excessive idling can all put additional strain on spark plugs, and this can cause them to wear out faster. 17. Age of the vehicle you are driving. As the vehicle ages, its spark plug may wear out faster due to normal wear and tear. Incorrect spark plug type. Using the wrong type of spark plug for your vehicle can cause it to wear out faster and require more frequent replacement. 19. Engine overheating. If your engine is overheating, it can cause damage to your spark plug and lead to the need of replacement. And finally, 20. Oil leaks. If your engine is leaking oil, it can cause deposits to build up on your spark plugs and decrease their performance, leading to the need of spark plug replacement. So dear viewers, these are some of the things that can lead to spark plug replacement. Well dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this presentation. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you are new here, do consider subscribing and turn on notification so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Till then, stay safe.